The World Cup is finally here. Why just watch the matches when you can improve your English at the same time? In today's shadowing practice, you will learn real World Cup expressions used by football fans around the world. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and train your pronunciation, fluency, and speaking confidence, one sentence at a time. Are you ready? Let us kick off. The World Cup is finally here.
The World Cup is finally here.
I am so excited for the tournament.
I am so excited for the tournament.
Which team are you cheering for?
Which team are you cheering for?
I can't wait to watch today's match.
I can't wait to watch today's match.
What time does the game start?
What time does the game start?
Let's watch the match together.
Let's watch the match together.
Who is playing today?
Who is playing today?
My favorite team is playing tonight.
My favorite team is playing tonight.
I hope my team wins.
I hope my team wins.
Where are you watching the game?
Where are you watching the game?
I am watching it at home.
I am watching it at home.
Pass me the snacks, please.
Pass me the snacks, please.
The game is about to begin.
The game is about to begin.
Turn up the TV volume, please.
Turn up the TV volume, please.
May the best team win.
May the best team win.
The stadium is full of excited fans.
The stadium is full of excited fans.
The atmosphere in the stadium is incredible.
The atmosphere in the stadium is incredible.
Look at all the colorful flags.
Look at all the colorful flags.
The fans are singing and clapping.
The fans are singing and clapping.
It is a beautiful day for a football match.
It is a beautiful day for a football match.
The stadium lights are so bright.
The stadium lights are so bright.
The pitch looks perfectly green today.
The pitch looks perfectly green today.
There are thousands of people here.
There are thousands of people here.
The energy in the crowd is amazing.
The energy in the crowd is amazing.
Everyone is wearing their team jersey.
Everyone is wearing their team jersey.
I love seeing fans from different countries.
I love seeing fans from different countries.
Football really brings people together.
Football really brings people together.
The local fans are being very welcoming.
The local fans are being very welcoming.
I watched the opening ceremony last night.
I watched the opening ceremony last night.
This is a historic tournament for North America.
This is a historic tournament for North America.
The referee blew the whistle.
The referee blew the whistle.
Kickoff has just started.
Kickoff has just started.
That was a great pass.
That was a great pass.
He is running fast down the field.
He is running fast down the field.
Look out, he is going to shoot.
Look out, he is going to shoot.
Oh no, he missed the target.
Oh no, he missed the target.
Wow, that was a close call.
Wow, that was a close call.
The goalkeeper made a brilliant save.
The goalkeeper made a brilliant save.
It is a corner kick for our team.
It is a corner kick for our team.
The defender cleared the ball away.
The defender cleared the ball away.
He was caught in an offside position.
He was caught in an offside position.
That was definitely a foul.
That was definitely a foul.
The referee is showing a yellow card.
The referee is showing a yellow card.
They are checking the VAR screen right now.
They are checking the VAR screen right now.
The tension in the room is high.
The tension in the room is high.
Goal.
Goal.
I can't believe it.
I can't believe it.
That goal was absolutely amazing.
That goal was absolutely amazing.
What a spectacular header.
What a spectacular header.
He scored in the very first minute.
He scored in the very first minute.
The crowd is going wild right now.
The crowd is going wild right now.
They are celebrating with a dance.
They are celebrating with a dance.
That was a perfect penalty kick.
That was a perfect penalty kick.
My favorite player just scored a hat trick.
My favorite player just scored a hat trick.
They are leading by 2 goals now.
They are leading by 2 goals now.
They completely turned the game around.
They completely turned the game around.
Fans from around the world are celebrating together.
Fans from around the world are celebrating together.
The stadium is erupting with joy.
The stadium is erupting with joy.
That will be the goal of the tournament.
That will be the goal of the tournament.
I am jumping up and down with happiness.
I am jumping up and down with happiness.
This is the best match I have ever seen.
This is the best match I have ever seen.
My favorite team played very well today.
My favorite team played very well today.
Their defense was absolutely solid.
Their defense was absolutely solid.
The team needs to pass the ball quicker.
The team needs to pass the ball quicker.
This player is having an outstanding tournament.
This player is having an outstanding tournament.
The captain is leading the team by example.
The captain is leading the team by example.
They look tired in the second half.
They look tired in the second half.
The manager is making a tactical substitution.
The manager is making a tactical substitution.
They need to score a goal quickly.
They need to score a goal quickly.
Their goalkeeper is the hero of the match.
Their goalkeeper is the hero of the match.
They are playing with a lot of confidence.
They are playing with a lot of confidence.
The striker is in excellent form this year.
The striker is in excellent form this year.
They are working together as a true team.
They are working together as a true team.
Their hard work is finally paying off.
Their hard work is finally paying off.
They deserve to win this match.
They deserve to win this match.
They made too many mistakes in midfield.
They made too many mistakes in midfield.
The referee blew the final whistle.
The referee blew the final whistle.
The match ended in a dramatic draw.
The match ended in a dramatic draw.
We are going into extra time.
We are going into extra time.
It is time for a penalty shootout.
It is time for a penalty shootout.
Our team won the match completely.
Our team won the match completely.
It was a heartbreaking loss for them.
It was a heartbreaking loss for them.
They have qualified for the next round.
They have qualified for the next round.
Who do you think will win the tournament?
Who do you think will win the tournament?
Every team dreams of lifting the trophy.
Every team dreams of lifting the trophy.
This group stage is full of big surprises.
This group stage is full of big surprises.
I think there will be a new champion this year.
I think there will be a new champion this year.
They have a tough match in the quarterfinals.
They have a tough match in the quarterfinals.
Who do you think will win the Golden Boot?
Who do you think will win the Golden Boot?
Watching football is a great way to relax.
Watching football is a great way to relax.
I love the spirit of the World Cup.
I love the spirit of the World Cup.
The fans are chanting louder than ever.
The fans are chanting louder than ever.
Every player is giving their best on the field.
Every player is giving their best on the field.
One moment can change the entire match.
One moment can change the entire match.
The coach is encouraging the team from the sidelines.
The coach is encouraging the team from the sidelines.
The excitement is building with every minute.
The excitement is building with every minute.
Nobody wants this incredible match to end.
Nobody wants this incredible match to end.
The players are fighting for every single ball.
The players are fighting for every single ball.
Dreams are coming true on the World Cup stage.
Dreams are coming true on the World Cup stage.
The winning team will never forget this moment.
The winning team will never forget this moment.
The World Cup unites millions of people through the love of football.
The World Cup unites millions of people through the love of football.
Great job! If you complete this shadowing practice, let me know in the comments. Which team are you supporting in the World Cup? And do not forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and come back tomorrow for more English practice. Keep speaking, keep improving, and I will see you in the next lesson.